Hi folks, I'm Lonnie Johnson. Welcome back to my channel. I have this spider, as you can see, and it doesn't work. I mean, it may be the batteries, maybe something on the inside. I'm going to take this plate off, and I want to see how these legs are actually in sequence. So if they fall apart, I don't know how to put them back together. So what I'm going to do is take out this screw and this screw. You have two different screws. The shorter screw goes down here by the on-off switch. The longer screw goes up here by the head. And it takes a small Phillips screwdriver for these screws. Now let me see if this will come off. That is how it is oriented in there. I'm going to go ahead and shut it back and put the screws back in and go for the battery compartment. But see, we got little bugs in here, ladybugs, so I'm going to have to get those out. I think I got all the ladybugs out. I had to use a pair of tweezers. We'll go ahead and put this back down, line it up. I'll go ahead and put the screws in it. Now the screws are back in. Remember, short one here, long one here. Now I'm going to go ahead and look for the battery placement. And this here on this one of these sides. Yes, it's right here. The battery compartment is right here, so I'll take that screw right there loose. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. Between these two legs right here. Okay, there's the screw. I'm going to take that out and pull this compartment up, see what the batteries look like. Okay, now that I got this taken care of, let's pop this up, and it moves up, and there's Duracells in there. I'm going to go ahead and pull those out. Oh, there's another ladybug right there. So this inside here has been compromised. The spider's being eaten from the inside. See if I can get that out of there. I mean, they're all dead, but still. Come on out there. Okay. That is the only one I see in there. So, let's see if I can get these batteries out. That's what this cord is for. The cord is for getting them out, but the cord's in there, I believe, wrong. It should be sticking up this way, but maybe not. I'll take them out with these tweezers if I can. Get in here. I don't want to pull on the spring side. I want to pull on this side. I want to take the spring up. So that's one. They look pretty good. I'd say they're probably dead though. Now I'll pull this one out this way. There we go. And the battery compartment and everything looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and throw some new batteries in here and see if we can get this thing working. If not, we'll figure it out. Okay, I got batteries. I'm guessing that's how that goes on there because it's kind of hard to put it the other way. So I'm going to go ahead and put the battery in there. Like so, two batteries, two AA batteries. Turn it on. We'll have to see what happens after I get the lid on there. I know these batteries are good. Now I'll go ahead and bolt this down, and I'll see if I can get it working. The string came out, but the spider didn't work, so I'm going to have to take it apart, see what else I can do with it. Okay, now I've just removed all the legs, which is 4 on each side. This is what actually moves the legs, those two little things right there. I'm going to hook the battery compartment. Now I'm going to pull this out. It should come straight up. And look, it's running. This is actually working now. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it back together. So I don't know what the deal was. I'll put it back together and see if it works. Okay, now that it works, I'm going to go ahead and take this apart and see what's inside of it. See what the deal is here. Because here's the string, here's your gears, and look, it's full of ladybugs. See them right there? I'll go empty this out and I will bring it back. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I want to take this, I've checked all the gears, make sure they would not come off. I want to go ahead and take and push this up in here, because if you don't, the gears will come off. Pull this string out as you pull it up in there, if you're actually going to work on your own. Once you get it up in there, once you think you got it up in there right, you can actually turn it over. There we go. I want to put the battery compartment back on and bolt it up. Let's see, right there, like so. That way it doesn't go anywhere. Now, let's turn it on. It's working and it's pulling the string in. Looks like the bottom one goes faster than the top one, just the way it's made. Okay. Now I'm going to put the lags back on this. Bolt everything back up. So if you watched the beginning on how the lags actually go on, I'm going to try and do that right now. So I took these four from this side, I took these four from this side, which makes it a little bit easier than mixing them all together. So from what I remember, this one goes right here, because it's got that little knob right there on it. It goes right here. So I remember this one here will be the third one up because of the way that there is shaped. And make sure your legs are pointed that way. This one here goes here, because I remember the two little knobs there. And this one here will go up here. But I will put that on last, because it's set up to where I can turn it this way. Something else goes and attaches to that. So go to the other side. This long one here goes right here because it sits low. Because of that right there, it holds it together. Now the shorter one with the stub goes right here. So that can hit that. Okay. The next one that I remember, this one right here will be right here. Okay. Now, this one will go right on top of here, and it will connect with these two. Okay. Like I said, this one here will go on here, and it will connect with, this one here's kind of broke, but it's still there. This one right here will go like this, and this will go inside there, and make sure that that hits it. Now, I'll go ahead and close this down. Make sure this part at the top is over. Now, there we go. Now I'll go ahead and I'll bolt it down, and it should work. This leg here is not moving right, so I want to see if I got it in the right place. Here's why it's not working right. The little pin right here apparently got broken off. I didn't see it in there, but this leg here is not going to work because of that pin's gone. Take this and test it on the wall. As you can see, this one here's, I've got a bare leg, but that's from years of abuse going up and down the wall. Okay, this one here should work like that, but that pin on the inside, like I said, is gone. There it goes. Working like it should. Put that outside if you got woodpeckers. Woodpecker comes around pecking on the house, that will drop and scare it to death. Well, probably not to death, but it'll scare it off. There it is. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.